silent nights.
Alright, so as you guys can tell by the title of this video, we're going to be doing a Bratz doll kind of makeup look, just fun, something I thought of, and I saw one of their pictures online, so I just thought, why not? So obviously I have a wig on. I have it pulled back, so sorry if you can see like the lace on it and everything. I'm not good at cutting these, but I really love this pink wig. So we're just gonna go ahead and start out. So I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Acne Fighting Foundation, and of course I am just putting this all over my face as I normally would, and I'm gonna try not to get it in my wig because that's gonna be a problem if so. So I'm kind of pushing the hair back. I'm gonna be using my Morphe blending sponge. I absolutely love this blending sponge. So I'm just putting this all over my face. Again, trying not to get it in my wig. Alright, now I'm gonna prime the eyes. I'm gonna be using the Luscious Cosmetics eyeshadow primer base. Looks like this. And I am just gonna lay this on the eyes. Alright, and before that gets all creasy, I'm gonna be using the NYC Smooth Skin Loose Powder. And I am just dipping into that and just laying this on the eyes. Alright, now of course we're going to go on to concealer. I'm going to be using the Bare Minerals Bare Pro little stick concealer. And I'm just putting this under the eyes, on the nose, forehead, chin, all the places that I normally do. Alright, now I'm just taking that powder again. I'm just going to be placing it just directly under the eyes, not bringing it too down, because translucent powders or any powders always oxidize under my eyes. I don't even know if you guys can see already, but I can see that it's oxidizing, so I can't use a bunch. Just patting it on the forehead to get rid of some of the shine. And now I'm just going to go into the sponge and just kind of pat that product into the skin. Alright, so now I'm going to be using this blush. This is the Laura Geller blush. It's Baked Blush in Brighton in Tropic Hues. And I'm going to be taking the Luxie 514 blush brush. The blush looks like this, and yeah, I've never used a blush like this, but I've always wanted to. And I've always wanted to use a Laura Geller product. So we're going to see kind of how it works. Ooh, wow, that is beautiful on the skin. Holy, what? Okay, I'm so excited. I got this in my BoxyCharm and haven't used it yet. That is so pretty. It's really hard for me to find blushes that look good on my skin because I'm so light skinned, but that looks so pretty on the skin. Wow. I'm going to use more than I normally would just because we're doing a Bratz doll kind of look. So I'm just going to be like kind of making the face a little bit more pinky. I feel like this gives a glow to the skin as well, so it's also like highlighting my skin. That is so pretty. I am loving this. Alright, now for bronzer, I'm going to be going in with the Makeup Revolution Bronzer Ultra Bronze. And I'm going to be taking the Morphe R2 brush, and we're just going to start bronzing up the face. You guys already know the drill. Alright, and now I'm just going to be spraying my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild MegaGlo highlighter in the color, it doesn't have color on here. Oh, it's Blossom Glow. Yep, Blossom Glow. And it's pink-ish. It's like a pink kind of like, I don't know, pink color, so that's why we're using it. I love this highlighter though. I use it all the time. So we're just putting this on the face. And I don't think Bratz dolls knew what highlighter was when they were like a thing, but I know that if they were, you know, still popular now, they would definitely be wearing highlighter. So we're just gonna be like fully glowing ourselves up. Like I want to look like a Tin Man basically. Alright, so now for the brows, I'm going to be going in with my brows off camera, but I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution or Revolution Beauty. I don't know their name. Are they Makeup Revolution or are they Revolution Beauty? I don't know, because I see their name different sometimes, so I'm just kind of confused. But anyways, this is the Brow Revolution, and I love this product, so I'm just going to put it on my brows as I normally would. Alright, so I found 2 pictures online with pink hair. This is the first picture that I got the look from. She has glitter on the lips, glitter on the eyes, and then we have this one right here, which she has like a huge, large amount of lashes on. I don't have lashes that big, so I'm definitely not doing that, and I suck at lashes. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Looks like this. And I'm gonna be taking these brushes I also got in my BoxyCharm. They are the, I think they're called Almar brushes, I don't know, but we're just gonna pretty much stay into this pink robe right here. Not gonna really mess around with any colors. So I'm going into the first 2 pink colors, and I'm gonna use them to blend it in my crease. She doesn't have like any like eyeshadow on. She has like pure glitter, but I don't think that's gonna personally look good, so I'm making sure just to kind of add a little bit of a crease color. You guys know what's up. And I'm going into the third one as well, just to add some more, because these are very, very light. And I'm laying it on the lid as well. Alright, I'm going to go into this flat brush, which is from Almar Cosmetics as well, if I'm saying that right. And I'm just picking up those pink colors, just so I can lay it more dramatically on the lid. Because when we do glitter, it might not show up as much. These pink eyeshadows suck, holy crap. They are like kids makeup. These are like not good. But anyways, that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so I'm gonna take this brush. It's a flat brush, and they don't have names on them, but they're all from the same place. I'm just gonna go into that third pink color and just run this under my eyes. Wow, these suck. These are really bad on this side for the pink colors. I don't think I've ever really messed with the pink colors. The other ones are okay, but these pinks are not showing up. Alright, now I'm just gonna take this Alexi brush. This is the 237 brush. I'm gonna go into one of the pink colors again, just to kind of help smoke it out, make it more dramatic, because this is not working. Alright, so now time for the glitter. I'm going to start in like layers so I can go really slow. So I'm just taking that flat brush and I'm taking this NYX glitter primer glue thing, and actually I'm just going to put the glue on the back of my hand. And I'm going to be going into the Skeddit Beauty glitter. This is the color Teddy. Looks like this. This is like perfect for this look, I feel like. Alright, so now I'm going into that glue and I'm picking it up. I'm going to start on the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to try to make this sharp, but hers is pretty messy, so it doesn't really matter if it's like sharp or messy. So I'm just starting here, and I am going to go onto the other side of the brush just so I can keep using the same brush and start packing down the glitter. It's falling all over my face, so I can already tell that this is going to be a big mess, but you know what? It is what it is. Alright, I'm going to take that brush we were using earlier, that other flat one, for the glue on this eye, because it's getting real messy. So I'm just going to lay this all over the eye and do the same thing pretty much. Alright, so we now have glitter all over our face. So I'm going to try to wipe it off. I feel like it's going to stick to the skin. Okay, not too bad on that side. Alright, so in the first picture, she has these jewels on her face. I'm just going to use glitter because I don't have jewels. These ones are pink and purple, but on the other one, they look different. That one looks like a heart, and there's a pink and purple one. So we're just going to see if I can even make a heart. I don't think I can, so I feel like I'm just going to put a dot there, just like the first one, but we shall see. Alright, so I'm going to start on this eye. I'm just going to go into this little pencil-y brush, and I'm just going to dot right here, the first dot. I'm going to go in with the second dot as well. Yeah, there's no way I'm going to make a heart, so I'm just going to make the third little dot a little bit bigger, but I already know there's no way I can make a heart. So we're just going to put it right here. So I'm going to start out with the pink glitter since we have it out, and I'm going to put it right here on the dot. And I'm going to wipe it off a little bit on my pants and go in again with this purple. And so I just used the pink glitter we were using. The other ones I'm using are Skeddit Beauty as well. This one is the color Indigo. And then the silver one I have is going to be the color Starry. So just a heads up, I'm just putting them right here. Whoa, shit. Shit, I just spilled glitter everywhere. Holy shit. These all have stoppers in them, like little stoppers, so only a little bit comes out once. But I forgot the other day I used the silver glitter for something and I took the stopper out, so I just spilled this everywhere. Holy shit. Alright, so that's a mess we're gonna have to clean up. Dabbing onto my table, going into that silver glitter. It's really pretty silver glitter. And I'm just putting it on the third little circle area. And now I'm just going in and doing the same thing on the other side of my face. Alright, so now I'm just going to go into this little pointy brush and go back into that highlighter we were using. And I'm popping it on the inner corner and on the brow bone. Alright, so now I'm just going in with my Urban Decay Perversion Mascara and putting it on my top and bottom lashes. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with these Skeddit Beauty lashes. These are some really big, fluffy ones. I'm not used to wearing big ones, but these are in the style Oakley. And I'm just going to try to put them on off camera. Alright, so I have the lashes on. I suck at putting on lashes. Oh my god, these look so bad on me because they're coming off. I put them on so badly. They're beautiful lashes though. I feel like they're not like too dramatic, but like I suck at putting them on so badly, so just ignore them flapping off. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the Pretty Vulgar. This is a lipstick. My lips are sealed. It's like a metallic kind of like glossy lipstick kind of thing. It's beautiful. So I'm just putting this on my lip. I never know how to describe this lipstick because it's like a gloss. Like it goes on like a gloss. It doesn't dry down. It stays like sticky, but it's like also a liquid lipstick at the same time. It's so weird, but like I love it. It's so pretty. Alright, so now we're just going to go back into that pink glitter we were using and we're just laying this all over the lips. Alright, so that is the completed look. I actually I'm really living for this look. Like I want to be a Bratz doll. Not that I look like a Bratz doll, but like look at it. I love this look. I'm really loving all the glitter. Honestly, like I was scared the glitter on the lips wasn't going to look good, but I feel like it looks really, really good besides that it's crusty on your lips, but it does look good. The eyes, actually, I feel like I could wear the eyes as like a regular makeup look and not like feel crazy or anything. Yeah, I'm really loving this. So yeah, that is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this Bratz doll tutorial. If you did, please make sure to give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.